Hi guys.
Hi,
Hi.
guys.
Cringe. Hi.
Oh,
So this is
jangan buat itu.
You know what, let's just
Oh
do
my
bloopers
God.
lah because we will
punya
never
yang
get through the
Puspa yung
intro.
tu,
Apa
Ma.
tadi? Dia punya intro tuh, are you an introvert, an extrovert, or an ambivert?
Or an
Jokes on
ambivert.
you. I'm a pervert. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Terakaitan. Okay, so what are we talking about today?
What do you guys know about the wedding SOP so far? What knowledge do you guys have?
So far saya tahu yang the latest punya ni dia divided by two punya kategori SOP. Yang satu PKPB dan satu lagi PP. So PKPP usually dia punya yang paling ketara, dia punya difference is their capacity untuk orang yang boleh hadir dalam the majlis. Ya, itu yang paling ketara lah. I'm not sure about you guys. Apa yang kamu orang rasa yang paling ketara dia punya perbezaan between these two, PKPD or PKPP? Kamu orang?
What's the capacity for PKPP and PKPB?
Oh, for PKPP, dia ikut ruang dan keluasan dewan ataupun tempat yang kau pakai itu. Tapi the difference between PKPD, PB dia 50% of the ruang tu. Ya. Contohnya macam kapasiti ruang tu dia boleh muat 100 orang.
Wait. Are we start now?
Yeah, we're
this is starting.
We're talking about it already.
Yeah, we're just casually going into it.
So I thought for PKPP and PKPB, I hope you're talking about B. I don't know D. I thought it's the same, that they're both only a maximum of 50% the capacity of the space. But is it really for PKPP that you can fit, if the place fits 100 people, I can put 100 people?
No, we cannot.
Itu regarding the sources yang saya tengok lah kalau kamu baca news and then
PKPP is 50%?
No, it's PKPB.
Dia ikut keluasan capacity yang apa di dewan. Tapi kalau PKPB itu yang ikut 50% daripada keluasan dewan.
Oh ya.
Yes.
So it depends juga lah, because pihak hotel or dewan staff kan have to kira lah, have to measure to 2 meters between.
I'm understanding now what V is saying.
Selalu dalam dewan ataupun hotel-hotel kan hotel kan selalu cakap, okay, dalam dewan ni boleh muat around 100 people. So kalau PKPP punya daerah, dia boleh muat 100 people dalam tu. Tapi kalau PKPB, ya 50% daripada yang apa.
So it's just 50 lah.
Yeah. But actually it depends juga tuh. So before COVID kan itu meja memang dekat. But now we have to kasih ukurnya 2 meters. So it might be changed lah.
Yeah, quite tricky on this part sebab orang kena.
Tapi actually kan kamu lagi prefer wedding during PKP or
you mean PKPP or PKPB?
I mean PKPP and PKPB before COVID.
Gosh, I want to answer this first.
Okay. Go ahead. No one's fighting for it. You can go.
Yep. You can go.
Take it away.
I was dreaming about a small wedding but really fancy. Like, memang sangat sedikit, instead of maybe around below 50 maybe. But then dia punya food dia yang sangat sedap. Food, lamb, beef, or kalau mau panggang-panggang macam tu, saya punya memang mau yang fancy punya lah. So saya mau capacity dia memang sangat sedikit lah jumlah orang yang datang. Kalau orang
sebab dia mau serve harga makanan mahal-mahal, so that's why dia mau sedikit saja.
Yes,
itu
exactly.
Paling important kalau wedding.
Tapi you have to juga lah, you have to tengok dia punya minimum tax, because kalau hotel the smaller, macam lagi sikit itu number of packs, lagi mahal the cost lah. Begitu.
Because you're paying for the space kah, or you're paying for the table?
I think it's because of that too. And also the food, they have to prepare. Kalau dorang sepatutnya boleh serve like 100 packs guna ini recipe, then they have to do kasih kecil lagi begitu. It's leceh lah gitu.
Okay, so my
Mhm.
wedding
Oh.
will be in my backyard. Welcome to my backyard.
So I have to wait
No,
for
it's-
you
yeah,
to
no.
renovate your house dulu lah.
Ya,
Yeah.
saya mau those kind of thing yang like backyard.
Yeah, a
Yeah.
backyard
Kind of,
wedding. So.
But most
Bukan dalam
typically
one
orang
besar.
sekarang 30-50 pax masih okay bah. Tapi usually itu
Yeah.
ceremony.
Mhm.
Nah, seremoni ke apa-apa memang 10 je sah. Oh, kedekut.
Kedekut betul.
No, sebab saya mau makan yang sangat fancy.
Fancy.
I wanna
Actually-
lobster sana.
Yes.
mussel,
Hey, wait.
everything. Wow.
Tapi now punya wedding, ramai sudah like stream kan? Like a few of my friends, their weddings are stream live on
Yeah.
FB.
What?
So I
Yeah,
think itu
yes.
syok juga ba, tapi
Online.
itulah like sendiri
Yeah,
lah cuci piring.
Yeah,
Mm.
but I
You
mean,
mean
you get to
there's
invite
stream
Dorang
people.
buat sejak kah ataupun only few people come and then yang
It's
others
like it's the couple of course lah, the bride and groom sana. Lucu juga kan kalau the bride hadir the groom like she WhatsApp ko.
But this-
And then like
this
really
yang
close
bride and groom
relative lah.
lain-lain.
Bride and groom,
Ada tu,
close
kamu
family.
ada dengar tak?
ada.
Tidak, you mean like
What?
line-line?
The groom dia lain-lain. So, orang akan nikah daripada different places.
Oh ada itu
Oh my
yang
God.
before earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah. In 2020, sangat.
But since sekarang boleh like kawin
Yeah.
kan, so I don't
Yeah,
think
boleh
itu
jumpa
itu
sudah.
sudahlah. Itu I
Mhm.
don't think benar-benar sudahlah yang kawin begitu. So macam I'm not sure, macam tidak legit sikit.
Tidak
Macam yang macam
lah. Macam
Faham?
something wrong.
macam tidak ngam.
Untuk kamu lah personally, kamu rasa macam during COVID, sebab kau nampakkan macam COVID, dia punya kawin sekarang majlis sosial tu macam meningkatkan sangat jumlah kita punya COVID case. So kamu rasa macam bagus tak? Ataupun apa pendapat kamu mengenai pelaksanaan majlis during the COVID punya season?
I think it's the same as like right now you're working like coming to work. Capacity dia kurang, like all the rules are there sudah ba, black and white, they've told you what to do, what's the best measures to be taken, like they put out
Yeah.
sudah, okay, capacity 50%, SOP sila jaga, and like no more self-service, everything is the sana ba. But I think the problem is that because when you're going there, you're meeting like family members, like rapat
Yeah.
kan, so you automatically like, ala, it's just my auntie, tapi alam pakai mask.
Yeah, and then you're like,
Oh, it's my uncle. Kenapa juga? And then you
Yeah.
like, you hug and you
exactly.
bergambar. So I think itu betul. Like, it's the same lah. I think
Yeah.
like close gathering pun, you see your friends when you go out pun, you like, you don't wear your mask that well juga ba. You're like, uy,
Yeah.
kawan ba ni? Like we work in the same office ba? You open juga
Yeah.
the mask with each other. I think itu je ba the problem.
yep,
Yeah.
which is a bad
Because
thing lah. I
human
mean,
factor kan.
yeah, because you're so used to, I mean, this whole years of you living casually and meeting people. You don't have all these SOPs and everything. So when you have to do SOPs, you kind of, easy to forget. So you're like, oh, okay, hi auntie, hugs, kisses, and
then,
then
like-
you get COVID. And it's, yikes.
Oh, like that kan? Then you get cool. But I think it's because like I trust, like okay, I trust you, my auntie.
Yeah.
Like, let's say I trust that you go out to work and stuff. You jaga your
Mhm.
SOP. So when I meet you,
Yes.
you trust me enough to jaga my SOP. So when we meet, it's like oh
Mhm.
relative ba. So I like again I go mask
Yeah.
first, I berapat. But that's how I think this is the
Yeah.
thing with family pun. I think it's hard. Like it's like a
Yeah.
very very hard thing to
To control.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Untuk kontrol kan. So,
Yeah.
kamu
Yeah.
tahu tak yang actually ada rela kan yang kalau orang penganjur tu pergi daftar kamu bagi tahu kamu mau mengadakan majlis kan. If I'm not mistaken, ada saya baca dalam link hari itu ataupun newspaper, dia cakap ada rela lah yang pergi datang tolong. Tapi sejauh mana keberkesanan rela ni untuk membantu untuk mencegah dia punya penularan COVID ni, saya rasa tidak membantu sangat. Sebab
Saya
mostly
rasa.
rela yang orang di sana, rela tu yang orang yang volunteer daripada kawasan-kawasan dekat tu ba. So dalam kenal antara satu sama lain. Itu yang membuatkan dia macam rela ni pun macam orang takut mau tegur ba. Sebab
Ya.
ya kau kena malukan nanti kau terover tegur, mana orang mau sama kau lagi.
Tapi lagi pun kita punya macam masyarakat kan, they don't really takut rela, they only takut polis.
I don't know. Looks like we
I
gotta
didn't know
read
that.
up.
I mean, that's
Okay.
another thing to find out.
Yeah.
Join us next week in our episode.
Next
Rela,
week.
who really are they?
Rela.
Bodoh.
Tapi apa
Wait.
actually question kau tadi, Vi?
Oh, she's saying yang Rela, like it's
Ah.
kadang-kadang Rela
tidak
tuh orang
fungsi
yang
lah.
kita kenal, not as effective. Dia bukan cakap it's not tidak
as
function,
effective.
tapi
But
dia
our
tidak
relas
as effective.
is like rela kena like hire kalau by these people yang doing the weddings.
Yeah,
They
I
have
think
to.
so. They
Oh,
have to.
they
Sebab
have
kalau
to-
kamu daftar kamu punya majlis, kamu bagi tahu kamu mau mengadakan majlis, then orang akan inilah macam
Assign.
arahkan ataupun appoint, yes, assign, rela untuk jaga kamu punya majlis, untuk pantau lah lebih kurang.
Oh,
But I'm
okay.
not sure if is it
Sama-sama
mandatory or
sama-sama.
not.
Yeah, I don't
Not really
think
sure.
so lah.
Yeah.
If it's probably in like a huge day one, they would probably be
Yeah.
rela.
Yang
Tapi kalau di dewan siapa yang pantau?
Oh,
I mean,
that one you're supposed to do it yourself, but actually,
Yeah.
sendiri. Whoever is the organizer, they should already like kasih tahu like the set rules, like tell you where to go, which one is in, out, where you sit, like. They're supposed to. Itu betul. Like we're supposed to know sudah by now what we're supposed to do.
But
Yeah.
actually
How
it's
supposed to
hard if kau macam yang your family member sangat suka yang wedding yang big, yang have to
Mhm.
hug, have to shake hand. It's
Yeah,
really
that's-
hard.
Because that's the
Sebab tu
norm.
sudah lama banget kita punya norm, kita punya culture,
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the problem.
jabat tangan, ya.
Yeah,
Kamu tengoklah siapa yang adakah yang rajin buat begini? No.
I've never seen anybody do this. What is this?
So
Oh,
yeah.
Shake hand, like
A salutation betul.
I know, yeah, it's like this. I'm like,
Mana tahu you
Sasageo.
jumpa that auntie
Malu.
that goes kawin sudah and you from far begini sudah. Hi auntie. Bye auntie.
Bye, Ati. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, tapi
But
kalau
yeah, it's when you think about it, it's not just the norms. It's all the cultures and the
Yeah.
customs yang we are so used to. It's no longer gonna be like biasa already. It's gone.
It's hard,
You
yeah.
don't have a choice. I mean, you do have a choice lah not to ikut SOP, but that would be bad lah.
yeah,
Hard ba? Sometimes
Big-
like
Yeah.
yeah,
VIP datang
because of
tu, do I
banyak
shake your
bab
hand?
master.
I fist bump my boss dah. Boss,
I think this
The
one
wedding we just fist
dia
bump.
tak
okay
boleh
lagi
juga.
lah.
tidak boleh sudah. Even the
Physical
elbow
contact
pun
tidak
kena.
boleh.
Oh ya kak, begitu
Ya.
lah.
Physical contact tidak boleh.
The shoes
Oh,
and
no
shoes pun
contacts.
macam.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's why. Tapi actually it's a good thing juga lah.
I mean, you're the ones getting married soon. What do you think?
I think it's a
Yeah,
good
what do
thing
you think?
because macam Viana, I don't like.
Ooh, spoiler wedding announcement. Ah.
No.
Ooh.
Spoiler.
Tapi actually saya tidak sure lagi lah kalau the actual date jadi or not because sekarang kita punya cases pun naik kan. Sabah now 3 digit
Oke,
already.
saya sudah beli
200
apa?
something.
Ambil annual leave. Kau jangan tukar tarik.
I hope I don't want to though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tapi
Oke,
itulah
benar.
kalau for me I like it but for my family they don't like it lah because they cannot invite.
They cannot attend.
people. I'm going to live stream it.
Yeah. I mean,
Tapi
sorry,
yeah,
what can you do?
because
It's
kalau-
SOP.
My family they really want me to kasih buat wedding dekat kampung area. So we
Yeah.
can invite more people orang kampung
Yeah,
datang,
no.
like that. But
That and
I
because
don't
it's a way.
really I don't really like that kind of wedding. So
Yeah.
alah kau tidak kena mengena sama saya. Why do I have to invite?
Well,
Yeah,
itu
I
kan
know, right?
itulah. It's like our generation punya view.
That's
we
the
see it as
millennial
like,
thinking.
yeah, the millennial thing. But for them, this is how they grew up. This is what they cherish and find
Yeah.
important ba.
Yes.
And then it's also
Yeah.
like a way to like tell everyone di kampung kan yang okay,
Yeah,
anak
like,
sekarang kawin
yeah.
sudah. Tapi
Yep,
iyalah,
true.
Iyalah. Actually itu yang saya cakap lah because it's a good thing lah for saya getting married during this time sebab I don't have to invite more
ada
people that I don't want to
Yeah.
invite.
Yeah.
I only
yeah.
invite close friends and
alasan.
family, okay?
Yes. Millennial
Depends on the
mentality in a nutshell.
are we just
We just live
lazy
stream
and
it.
kedekut?
Yeah.
It's not
No, we
being
just like
kedekut.
things simple.
Exactly kedekut. kedekut. It's not exactly kedekut. Sebab sometimes kamu mau someone yang di sana yang betul-betul
Yeah.
berkaitan dengan kamu,
Yeah.
Pak, yang close.
Yeah.
People
Yeah.
they do weddings kan, ada kenduri and all. Sometimes I feel bad when I don't go to their kenduri, and then it turns out kan they paid for the space, the table, and the food kan, yang datang tidak sampai ba, like the
Yeah.
amount of people that would eat up the food. Jadi kasihan, it's like a lot of wastage lah. There is.
Yeah.
Itu
But
Mhm.
itulah, for me kalau saya prefer RSVP.
Yeah, this is
True.
why we should make RSVP thing a norm in weddings.
Yeah, because
Kan
So
some
we don't
people just
waste
like
food.
I don't
Yeah.
Send the
really like
WhatsApp group.
buffet, you know.
Yeah, they
Oh.
just just do a wedding in a day one, and they just like invite everybody, and then
yeah.
literal strangers would come to the day one just
Or-
to poke some beer or something.
Let's say
Oh, I
I
haven't
invite,
been to
I invite
wedding
only
on a
Yeah,
beer.
you've never
Diana
been
and
to a
then
day one
come one
wedding.
family.
Yeah, exactly. You can literally invite anyone.
Yeah.
And then you see the bride and groom just shaking hands with everyone, and they're like, "I'm not even
Yeah.
sure who you are, but
And then they bergambar
welcome."
lagi with these people.
Yeah, I think
Exactly.
kalau during this time kan RSVP punya wedding is lagi bagus daripada
Yeah,
buat buffet or even kampung punya wedding
exactly.
lah. Yeah, because you cannot control. Kalau macam let's say you do it di hotel kan, at least
Mhm.
someone is watching you, bah. Macam yang
Yeah.
hotel staff, if let's say ada something happen, macam ada orang
Mhm.
berpeluk-peluk, they can tegur lah, and then ada security. If let's say you
Yeah.
buat di macam kampung yang buat canopy and all kan, it's really hard because yang hi jiran saya sini,
Yeah.
it's really hard.
Yep, it is.
Ya, tapi actually itu kita saja yang pikir begitu for the
Ya,
small
bah.
wedding.
Yeah, true.
It's hard bah because we are really tight with our traditions and all kan. So
Mhm,
like
yeah.
dari kecil we've already learned like salam to auntie, tegur to auntie,
Yeah.
say hello gitu. So it's like when we don't do it kan, it's like astaga salah.
Yeah, it's like
I know, right?
tidak
You kind of
respect
feel
them.
like you're being rude or something.
Yeah.
I can feel my mom glaring at me walaupun dia di rumah.
Yeah.
Even
Oh.
my dad kan dia cakap like should we invite this? Dia cakap siapa dorang? I
Siapa? Yeah, exactly.
I don't
Kau dah
really
kenal
know
kan?
them. Terus kan
Yeah.
for me kalau saya kan saya mau invite orang yang ada ada berjasa, why berjasa?
Wow.
Oh.
Yes,
I mean like
yes.
have you helped me before?
Yeah.
People you
I
know
mean-
that matters to you bah itu betul.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
it's
why.
people
But-
who cares that you're getting who is actually excited that you're getting
Yes,
married. If
so
they're
it's
just like
very
someone
fun.
young strangers, like why would I invite you to my wedding?
Yeah.
Doesn't make
Even-
sense.
Even after the wedding they can talk back.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yang I mean like you know dia punya wedding hari tu dia orang serve ini sejak dan
Oh,
Yep.
yes. Ya, saya jumpa few orang yang cakap macam ni pasal wedding. I mean, dorang pergi wedding ni kan, dah lah dorang yang macam tidak close dengan ni, and then dorang macam judge orang punya wedding. Cakap macam, okay dia punya decoration begini, and then dia punya food
I hate
begini,
those
it's supposed to be
people.
like this.
Are you
No,
kidding
dia
me?
tidak patutnya buat
Iya,
begitu.
iya, betul.
Yeah. That's
And then they
why
come
I
kan?
try to limit my guests.
They try to estimate lagi berapa lah dia spend wedding dia begini. Okay, kita
Yeah.
tengok. Okay, dia punya
Exactly,
decoration gini-gini,
exactly.
mungkin gini.
Oh,
And then they
mine-
guess the amount.
saya
and be
punya
like,
lagi mahal dari tu.
Wow.
yeah,
So,
there are
okay.
people who go and estimate, try to guess how much your wedding costs, and then they try to see lagi who's the wedding planner, siapa
competition,
dorang
yeah.
hire, yeah. And they're like, mampu
Baru
orang.
movie
Like,
kan?
Yeah. And then
Gosh.
if you getting married dekat hotel kan yang buat reception dekat hotel, and then orang kaya beni. I save my
Yeah. See,
for this wedding.
that's one of the things lah. I mean, before COVID, wedding is like a competition
Yeah.
for everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone a
bah.
big wedding and everything else, but why?
before COVID, wedding was like a big deal.
It's a big deal.
It's sangat.
If
In
your
Indonesia,
wedding
you
tidak
hate
300,
weddings, you love weddings. Your
Yeah.
family is there, your family is not there. Everything about your wedding will be a topic of conversation.
Yep. Yep.
just can't
That's
avoid.
that is why parents make it a point for you to invite every saudara out there that ever exists.
yeah.
So they can, I don't know, I hate to say it, but it's kind of like showing off. You don't have
But
a
in
choice.
a way,
Yeah.
I kind of like the SOP wedding where people stream it because they like the friend
Yeah.
is holding a camera and they're like, it's interactive, but and like
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
I don't
yeah.
know, it's fun
Mhm.
to watch. It feels like watching
Yeah.
a home movie, but you're in it.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm making sense.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yep, I
siapa-siapa
totally
yang pernah
understand.
during wedding invite saya. Saya nggak pernah experience.
Oh, I've seen like
Yeah.
two
No,
Oh,
yeah.
actually, you can see bah, dorang live di IG or FB.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah,
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 they
yeah.
will just
Sebab saya
invite
tidak aktif
everyone
media
to watch
sosial kan.
it.
Yeah, that
And
one
it's
literally
fun.
inviting strangers also lah, but
Yeah.
at least they're not there physically, and
Yup.
you don't have to pay for it.
Mhm.
Sounds
Sure
macam
lah.
semua kita pun macam suka wedding during the pandemic.
Yeah, I think
Sebab kita
Yeah.
mau
I think
limit
we're all the
kita
kind of people that like small weddings, ka.
Yeah.
I was
Yeah,
always
because
want
we're
to say my wedding,
millennials.
Yeah, because
Oh,
we're
wedding.
sign
millennial.
papers saja and be done. All
But
the
actually
goes to
ada few macam kawan-kawan saya kan sama kerja apa semua gitu, even dorang still kecil daripada kita, dorang still mau yang wedding yang besar.
A
Satu
huge
lagi
wedding.
sebab ya apa nama big family and everything. Satu itu could be one of the factor dorang mau wedding besar ataupun dorang jenis yang hidup kampung. Kau tahu jenis orang kampung
Yalah.
macam mana kan?
Yeah, tapi actually certain culture sejala. Maybe because dorang raised by that culture kan. Terus yang
I think it's like it's your wedding, but you do what you
Yeah,
want
yeah,
to
yeah,
do.
Yeah.
yeah,
You want to have a
exactly.
big wedding? Go lah, go for it.
Yeah,
Janji you
no,
like
no
you know what to
judgment
do.
there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I don't
as
care.
long as
I
you
don't
follow
judge.
the SOP, I guess.
As long
Yeah,
as
I
you're
mean,
all legal.
but actually
because this is what I'm thinking. Because you don't want your wedding to be another statistic, ba? Imagine in the news and you're like, your wedding, yeah, cluster wedding, your wedding, and you have to take down all your pictures from social medias, videos, because you literally in the statistics, and you're like,
Yeah.
that's
Have you
gonna
guys-
be traumatizing.
have you guys
Ya, sebenarlah
tengok nampak apa tuh Neolova punya case?
I saw.
Ouch! Sensasi.
Name dropping. Let's
I
just
don't
say,
know
let's
what-
wait, wait.
I
The
actually I don't
celebrity-
really know lah what happened, but
I don't know
think-
what happened there.
yeah,
I was not caught
people
up.
made because tidak macam I think ada action tapi people don't see it, but because
Yeah.
kan ada some
Tidak orang kasih tahu lah.
yeah, some mungkin dorang minta untuk kasih private kan, so media tidak release kah whatever.
Kan.
And then ada macam certain people kan dorang buat majlis, dorang kena fine 10K kah. But then
Mhm.
si yang Neolova punya wedding, they only said dorang dalam siasatan. But
Mhm.
why rakyat lain kan yang like normal people kan, dorang punya kalau dorang kena fine kan like kena fine direct. Tapi kalau like
I don't know.
the big
But that's the
gun,
thing. We don't know what happens juga, ba. Like mungkin in the
Yeah.
paper they tulis terus kena fine, but who knows? Maybe they did something. I think
yeah.
yang the
Yeah.
I just
I don't
I think dorang just be low-key, but dorang tidak mau kasih tahu kan.
but who
Mm.
knows lah. I
But
cannot say
sebab
for
dia
sure.
public figure. Kan bagi saya personally pendapat saya lah. Sebab orang dari awal orang sudah kasih tahu dia punya isu macam ni, dia tidak ikut SOP. So media ataupun pihak berkuasa kena follow up dia punya case. Sebab kalau orang tidak follow up dia punya case, tidak bagi tahu apa tindakan yang orang ambil kan, so rakyat-rakyat yang macam kita yang macam biasa ni akan rasa macam tidak adil. So that's why
Yeah.
macam lah orang bagi tahu apa tindakan yang orang ambil supaya orang pun tahu, orang pun rasa oh fair macam tu.
Yeah.
Sebab kalau dia tak bagi tahu, itulah yang sampai keluar isu yang orang cakap, oh certain pihak orang buat macam ni, certain pihak orang tak buat, certain pihak orang
Yeah.
choose fine.
Yeah, because
Betul.
waktu
Yeah,
wedding dia pun a lot of pictures ba.
A lot of pictures.
yang-
Itulah a lot of
I
pictures
don't
that
want to-
incriminated themselves.
Yes.
But we don't know how many packs were there. I don't know lah. Like I think the
I
issue
think it's
is
more
that
than 100
sangat
lah.
ramai, ramai. Who knows? Maybe they did the
Yeah.
50%
Mungkin the
capacity. I don't know.
capacity juga besar. But
Mungkin,
then
ha?
the obvious thing yang saya rasa terlampau
The basic SOP
obvious
lah, I
yang
think.
ya basic SOP yang orang tak patuhi adalah orang duduk sangat dekat kan.
Some were in
Kamu
mass,
nampak
some
tak?
were not in
Ada
mass.
nampak yang dekat tengah tuh.
Yes, orang sangat dekat.
I
So,
think
dorang
I
tak
think the
jaga
one for the
dekat.
family member yang in the same house but tapi I'm not sure lah.
But
I don't
still,
know.
even family member, dorang kena jaga dorang punya ni. Family member satu banyak
Yeah.
macam tu.
Yeah.
And then they
Jaga
take
dorang.
pictures some more, then people mad.
But this goes
Yeah.
back to the thing ba yang we said. Some like it's family members, it's close friends. So kita pun macam
Yeah, they take it
kawan
light.
like
Yeah.
taking it lightly.
Kawan-kawan-
But
Yeah,
what
yes.
V said is true juga lah. Like she's a public figure ba. Patut
Yeah.
and then this is
Yeah,
like a
they're
very
supposed to clear
publicized
it.
event kan. You
Yeah.
already know it's
Mhm.
going to be huge and publicized. You've got reporters. Like I don't know. Like, you should have jaga juga lah the SOP. That
Did they
was
really invite reporters? I mean,
Oh, I don't
did
know.
they?
My bad.
Actually,
I
I
don't know.
don't think so, but they do have like celebrity and those YouTuber thing kan. I think adik dia pun
Mhm.
YouTuber, so they record and then
I think they should
pictures.
assume that these people would take videos and pictures, right?
Yes,
And yeah,
yeah,
I agree with
betul.
V. As a public figure, she should have. I mean, they should have. Apa?
Find a way to ketatkan lagi.
Yeah,
Tapi
The
yeah,
basic.
to be honest, saya tidak follow up sangat dia punya case. The last yang
yeah,
saya baca
same.
regarding dia itu dia just cakap dalam still dalam catatan. So tak tahu lagi apa actually yang apa.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
there's no clear
Tindakan yang orang ambil.
last thing yang saya baca yang dorang tengah dalam siasatan or whatever.
I didn't
Yeah.
even know. I only know is that the wedding, and then there was like problems with not obeying SOPs, and then that she flew to Langkawi. That
Langkawi,
was
Yeah,
like
but
so
then
there was
during that
another
time,
thing like how
Langkawi
did she manage to cross?
yeah.
What?
Lintas?
Okay.
Yeah, she
Yeah,
flew out at
that's
the
the
time.
fucked
During
up
that
thing.
time, like they weren't supposed to cross any borders, any of those district and
Oh.
areas in Daerah, but and all that. I don't know what I'm saying.
Masa
My
tu
geography.
orang
so
cakap
bad.
PKPP daerah PKPP kamu boleh pergi cross tapi kamu kena daftar dengan jabatan yang apalah yang
Pelancongan
Yang
punya.
penting they ada surat.
otak tidak silap saya. And then kamu kena travel by the agency transportation yang betul-betul under
Travel
pelancongan
agents.
jabatan transportasi. Ya, travel agent lebih kurang itulah.
Yeah.
Kalau kamu mau pergi travel,
But at the time, like traveling,
It's not
they're not
the
supposed
right
to be
time.
allowed to travel. They don't like macam you're not allowed to travel out unless ada sebab for business or whatever. So she said that she went out for business purposes kan. Tapi people were like speculating, and then like based on pictures they were all saying like she went on her honeymoon but time too like it looked like a vacay
Yes.
trip. So itu yang
Mhm.
she got more kecam. But that's honeymoon lah. So
Yeah.
nothing to do with the wedding.
We actually don't know
But-
apa yang jadi.
Yeah, we really don't
Yeah,
know.
it's
eh.
yang-
We don't know.
so
I
please
don't know how to
update.
judge.
Yeah, I mean,
It's
Yeah.
just yeah, like it's just our words and our views. But so like
yeah, it's our views as
just-
the public. I mean, how we see it lah. Yeah, but
So jangan
the
quote
actual
kita
thing,
orang.
who knows?
who
Yeah.
knows?
Yeah,
Yeah.
tapi
You
itu
do
loh Mbak,
you.
yang I'm not. They should like, I mean like maybe the pihak berkuasa kan have to tell the public what happened. Ada what
Yeah.
is the tindakan? Why
I
do
don't
you
know,
have to
maybe it's-
siasat lagi? I mean like
Maybe it
it's
falls under the
terang-terang deh.
confidentiality.
Yeah, I
the
think
thing.
dorang
Yeah.
request for that
Ya,
too
itu
lah.
salah satu lah.
Since dorang macam kind of big gun kan juga dorang tuh. Oh actually kan I got something to add. Yang
Mhm.
new SOP is karaoke tidak dibenarkan, tari menari tidak dibenarkan.
Amen. Okay,
So
now
there
I
is
find
no
another con.
pocho-pocho guys.
That's the fun part.
That's another con. Oh no,
Yes.
no dancing, no
No
karaoke.
dancing.
I cannot sing, so I am not affected by these rules.
Selain
Everyone
makan
is
dancing,
safe.
yang saya paling
No,
suka.
the dance part is yang oh no.
But I really like the
Yeah.
dancing. I can't
Yeah.
dance.
That's
I'm
the
the
con.
I'm like the stick bug, but when it comes on, I will join.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
I don't
exactly.
Saya macam pokok menari kalau menari.
What's you're not
saya
that
pun,
tall.
Saya tak pandai sangat menari,
No.
tapi bila
The short one.
pada musik, gila.
Yeah, I
betul dan
know.
menari.
It's even more awkward for me because I'm so
Yeah.
tall. People can see
When I
me.
told my family about that kan terus yang what? Alah boleh lah bang. Kita saja kita buat penjarakan sosial.
What?
Imagine
Wow.
poco-poco berina penjarakan sosial.
Gila, you look
Me
like
too.
those.
Bila kamu sudah bagi tahu pasal dorang tidak boleh dan tidak boleh apa semua begini kan, saya rasa macam I change my mind.
Why?
Saya dah mau wedding during SOP sangat boring no. Nah, saya perlu tuh all the dancing, orang
Yes.
singing,
Dia
orang
jadi
Yeah.
all the stuff. I need that
and then
kind
it
of
will
stuff.
be like terus orang will be like it's my fault for hosting a wedding yang orang terkena COVID ni. I would feel like oh my god,
Yeah,
pasal I
itu
wanted
bad
my
lah.
wedding.
Yeah, man.
But you
How
only get
fast
married
did
once,
we-
ba?
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, but so
Saya-
fast we
saya
are
change my mind.
Yeah.
On all kind of games dalam saya punya wedding tau.
Yeah.
Ada dartboard, lepas tu
Wow,
apalah.
dartboard.
Yakin?
Yeah, 30 orang. Champagne, of course.
She knows
Cocktail, of
already the
course.
30 people.
Yes, exactly. So kalau kamu tidak kena invite,
Kita jumpa di video call dia
It's
bilang.
okay. Mana tahu, I
You
positive,
live
I
stream that.
positive. I just assume mungkin I was like number 31 ba dalam dia punya top.
Yeah.
Kan?
And I'm
31.
32.
Then I 33.
Just a positive na pa. I was number 31, betul. That's why.
Enggak,
Yeah.
actually kan for my case, my family member yang my side ya, so we do like combined wedding ba. So my side
What's
only,
combined wedding?
it's a
no, what's
family,
It's a
groom
Can
family
I have
and
a la
bride
carte
family.
wedding? Oh.
No, because usually kalau macam Sabahan lah kan, dorang punya wedding satu hari ni for bride side and then satu hari ni for groom side. But then I will do it combined. So
Oh, I thought you always do combine. I never
no,
knew this.
but
Usually
for-
people do like the groom side punya family in his hometown and then you go to your family lagi
Yeah,
buat to
yeah,
do
yeah.
reception gitu.
yeah.
Oh, wow.
Most kadazan dusun do that, like yang macam yang okay, this day is for the bride side first and then baru pergi groom side punya.
Oh, itu the reception. Sorry, mine is
Yes.
wedding semua hadir lah at the church and then
Yeah,
nanti
itu
you have the
ceremony,
reception bagian
But
lelaki. and
for
then
ceremony pun you have macam ada limit tu. I forgot already berapa lah for church punya.
But I mean,
No.
ceremony shouldn't be long, ba. It's the
Yeah.
reception that we
Yeah,
are more
I know.
concerned about.
Wait, I was just realized like the great pro about wedding SOP. Kalau saya lah, because only my close friends and people are there kan. I have my
Mhm.
videographer, but like my wedding, if
Yeah.
I have my videographer is the person who I will cherish, and everyone is not allowed to ruin my video. You
Yep.
all don't do anything. So like having little people kan, there's like it will look really intimate and peaceful, but I think.
Yeah. Yep.
True,
Yep.
Jadi
true,
tidak
true.
yang
And this-
sakit hati lah.
And there's no some random auntie in the front taking a picture and
Berjalan.
then blocking the
Yeah.
photographer or something.
Yes.
And
yes.
then everyone has enough screen time.
Yes.
Yay!
And yep.
Ada yang kadang-kadang ala my really close auntie tapi sekejap dia muncul because the videographer dah tahu itu saya punya close aunt. Itulah auntie tidak
Yeah,
menarik
I know,
diri
right?
saja memanglah.
Because
Yeah,
there's
at
too
least
many
now-
people. How they bilang?
Yeah, exactly. There's too many strangers.
Yeah. Tapi kan
Sometimes you get strangers on the video. They do the most stunts kan. Siapa ba ni orang? I don't know. Rosak my
Yes.
video.
Yes, yes. Tapi kalau for me kan yang for my wedding itu videographer I only take for ceremony.
I pun.
For the reception since it's kind of boring. What,
Yeah.
Why should I spend more
Mana tahu
money
you
for
have
the
like-
reception?
The reception yang terus-terus lepas wedding, they have like speeches and all. Okay juga.
Yeah,
lah.
that one
I want my
just-
reception to be at night
yeah.
though.
I just,
Yeah.
most people do it at night, ba?
At night.
Ada yang
reception,
terus
kan?
kan? Like
Yeah, ada
After
yang
wedding,
terus. Yang
terus
don't wanna
reception.
do.
two separate events on the same
Oh,
day.
for
Diorang
me,
kasih combine tak?
Ceremony first pagi and then rehat and then malam baru the
Reception.
reception. Yes.
Yeah.
Yang one time penat lah. You don't have to
Hmm.
tomorrow. Ah,
Yeah.
I have
I
to
know,
I have
right?
to finish tomorrow's
I bring my
event.
own GoPro. I sangkut on my baju. Like point of view shot.
No videographer.
Yeah, tapi actually photographer is the very 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 important lah. Videographer kalau let's say yang ceremony lah. For me ceremony yang paling penting lah. Kalau for reception not really.
Mhm.
Kalau kau ada like menari-nari yang begitu shock lah juga tapi
Okay, now I changed my mind. At first, I was like, okay, just stream wedding and all, no wedding, just time. Now I feel like I want a wedding. V terbalik sudah. V was like, I want a wedding. Now she doesn't want a wedding.
This is a good time to get married.
this yeah for me this is the good time to get married. You
I
don't
mean,
have to-
you at I feel like you're at the perfect timing because it's where it's not so strict anymore, but it's still got SOPs.
but I'm
Not as
sure.
controversial lah to have a wedding. People yang kalau they have families yang susah, like one wants this, one wants that. I think the wedding during the pandemic is like the paling kurang controversy lah. Like orang cannot
Yeah.
complain bah because it's like bah
Yes.
macam mana PKP kan
Yeah.
COVID and people like yalah, so you can't complain about my wedding.
Yes. But
I think if your families are okay with it, tidak masalah bah juga
Yeah.
that kind of wedding.
Yeah.
It's just it's not a common, not
thing
not
lah.
the common
Yeah.
style of wedding kan.
Yes.
Who knows, maybe it is, I don't know.
It your wedding should be your own style of wedding.
Yes.
Because now it's just the matter of trying to please everybody, but that's why everybody has like a big wedding and everything. But yeah, I mean, your wedding is yours. You do whatever you want.
Actually, I don't want to please anyone, but saya tidak mau kena cakap juga. But what to do?
See,
See, but
Kau rasa sebab tak
SOP.
tahu lah.
Yeah.
I have my excuse.
yeah, I have an excuse.
I think I stream my wedding lah. I changed back my mind. I just go stream it.
Just stream it. Just
Kamu
live
banyak
stream it.
change my mind.
This
Dude, we
discussion
can
is
stick to. We can
You
stick
have to stick to
conclusion.
one.
sebab the more we
I
talk
have
kan, the more
Yeah, I
I
know
like
lah, but
kan.
I mean
I changed
that's
back
how
stream my wedding.
Yeah, true. I mean, it's only natural, but the conversations were like, oh my god, changing my mind.
Like, oh my god, I'm so easily swayed.
Yeah, so I guess if we're concluding this, we only have a question to the viewers or listeners.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer to have like a COVID pandemic wedding with the
Wedding.
SOPs or without the SOPs?
Yeah.
I don't know. Do you miss the old ways or whatever?
How can they
'Cause I
miss?
don't
They've
know.
never been married juga.
I mean,
No,
they
they-
were invited there.
Yeah, they were.
Duh.
Yeah, true. Imagine. I like my wedding before COVID. Yang sekarang my wedding sekarang is
I mean, you have to imagine. I'd like it to be like before.
Yeah, I
Well,
like
we're talking about it.
yeah,
We haven't got
bahkan we're
married.
talking about
before,
it.
before COVID punya like ada muncul tiba-tiba. My
Muncul
minimum
tiba-tiba.
requirement is 300 packs.
Ooh, you know what I want to hear from the audience?
What?
Like because
Yeah.
we know COVID is not going away that soon.
Yeah,
kan?
yeah.
So
No.
like not only do I want to know, are they like okay on board with the wedding with all the SOPs, or do they
Mm.
prefer the older one? I also want to hear like what ways do you want to improve or tweak? Like okay, there's SOP
Yeah.
we cannot dance. Like what are your creative solutions
Mhm.
that you can do at your wedding that still follows
Yeah.
the SOP?
Yeah. True.
Kan?
True,
So
true.
I can
Yep, yep.
copy your
Yeah.
answer. I'm like, wow.
Yeah, yeah. True.
Imagine they say they do it in Bola Padang, so semua orang can dance in a 1 meter.
Oh, there's a line.
But then
Yeah.
There's like rugby punya aparat field, so there's
I
already
hold
a
the mic
line.
lagi. Person on row 4, you're not in sync. Semua orang ngam sudah. Like,
Kung
But
tira
then
sama ni poco-poco anyway. You know
Yeah.
what I noticed as well that we don't talk about. People
What?
don't do receptions anymore. They just do sign marriage, and then
Mm.
they will wait out the ceremony later on. There's a rise on that already. Most people now are just getting married through sign only.
Yep.
And then like, you
Yeah,
know what?
banyak
I'm just
yang buat
gonna save
begitu.
money because it's COVID anyways.
no.
Yeah.
It's because of most yang sign is because
Hmm.
church belum ada because kalau kau mau kawin di church you have to go through kursus. But then dorang belum
Yeah.
buka kursus punya
Hmm.
slot because of SOP thing. But then
Mhm.
lately baru dorang buka lah. Then mungkin more people to kawin di church juga first.
Yeah.
To the ceremony first.
Yeah.
Ya, itulah because of the SOP betul. That's why dorang lagipun if let's say itu orang sudah like 10 years together, it's time to get married, but then have to
Mhm.
tunggu sampai bila-bila kau tiap kawin tuh. Then have to
Yeah.
wow.
official lah. Because
Mhm.
ya
Tapi
ada
it's legal sudah kan? Once you have your certificate, you sign everything. Like,
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
legal lah.
because
You're legally
most,
married.
ya as I know lah kan yang RC punya church kan they have to ask permission from the priest first, and then kalau dia bilang oh you are okay to kawin di JPN first, then baru pergi church. Baru kok ya, tapi it depends lah.
Okay, I think everyone can just conclude their own lah. Okay,
Okay.
you go first.
Okay, sama ada during the pandemic, yeah or nay untuk kahwin. For me myself, sebab saya dari dulu sudah memang mau sedikit kecil wedding kan, so tak kisahlah. For me myself tak kisah. During SOP kah, during pandemic kah atau tidak, saya rasa kalau saya betul-betul mau kahwin, saya akan kahwin juga. Sebab memang kapasiti dia rendah. Cuma the problem about kahwin during the pandemic sebab tidak like food safe, yang ni tak boleh ada dancing, tidak boleh ni karaoke or everything macam tu. I want my wedding fun, walaupun sedikit orang fun macam tu. So, tapi kalau kamu tanya saya sekarang, I'm probably gonna say saya akan tunggu. Ya, so saya mau yang macam betul-betul tidak ada halangan untuk saya kawin, bah. Tidak ada restriction yang buat saya
I have to kawin.
untuk having fun. Ya, tidak ada
Oh.
restriction untuk having fun. And then satu lagi, saya tidak mau kalau saya kawin sekarang, saya punya wedding tu meningkatkan our case here macam tu. Saya tidak mau jadi faktor begitu.
What about you, Angel?
Oh my
Upheld.
gosh, my I keep changing my mind, but I think I would still like the pandemic wedding. You know, yeah, I guess. I mean, maybe minus all the cons are like the fun and stuff, but I guess I don't know if there's a way to do it with SOP, so you just dance jiao jiao, or you know, maybe I'm with V, and the thing is, I'll just wait. I'll probably get married, sign first, and then you know, once the SOP is like lifted already, and then maybe I don't know when things will get back to normal, and then maybe we'll do like a ceremony. If not, pun maybe let's just have a new thing where we, you know, post-COVID ceremony, we call it. That's where you get to do your, you know, ceremony a second time.
Hi, welcome to my post-COVID ceremony.
Yeah.
Have you met my grandchild?
Yeah, exactly. Have you met my grandchild?
You went to her wedding. You went to her wedding kan, the stream one. Other than it,
Yeah. You went to her wedding 50 years ago. This
On
is the
Facebook. I
post-COVID ceremony.
invited you. You're like, huh?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know how, if that would be ideal, but I guess if we'll ever get to a post-COVID, you know, era.
Let's hope itu COVID cepat-cepat hilang lah kan. But don't know when. Gila.
COVID is just mutating too fast and too much.
Well, at least until everyone's vaccinated lah. I mean, yeah. Joe, what do
my
you think
conclusion-
about it?
Okay, a wedding during the pandemic, yay or nay? I have no problems with the weddings during the pandemic with all the SOPs. Sure, like it's going to be like, it's not going to be a fun wedding lah, but we have to accept that this is how weddings are gonna be from now on.
Yeah.
And like, you do you, but really if you want to go ahead with a big wedding, I'm like, okay, janji, like you do all the SOPs and all, but then I'll be okay with it. Like I took the effort to jaga my jarak and all that and to follow the SOP. If you all do it, the wedding, it wouldn't have been an issue, but to even have a wedding. If everyone dari awal did the SOP and all, like dulu, like you said, the Nilova thing, like it was 3 to 5 hours, but just because of one thing, then you get some sort of new restrictions onto the already tightened rules, ba? 3 to 5 terus dia jadi 3 hours, and then from this to this terus become okay, you can't have dancing anymore, you can't have all of this. So I think do it, but in a way that it's safe, and then I'm okay lah. Like I'm all for the wedding. Itu je lah, that it's just going to be really boring lah.
Yeah, boring and stuff. Yeah.
Mau no sih fun orang yang pandai stream, okay ba? Okay, Puts, you're the one getting married in the near
Yeah, you're the one
future.
getting married, so you gotta
For
say.
me, it's a yay because, as you guys know, saya mau getting married sudah, of course yay. Tapi actually, in general kan saya suka, I like it this way because money punya kind of apalah thing lah yang you don't have to spend so much money for this and that. Tapi ya memang gonna be boring lah because we don't have the pocho thing. We cannot singing there, singing here.
Yeah, any social interaction
Yeah.
or what?
Yeah,
Ada ba, but it's just really, really controlled and restricted.
Yeah, a controlled
But we don't
environment.
have the macam yang there's macam masih lagi kita tidak tahu if we can do it or not. Since if you do it the hotel, then they will ask you to not do it. It's strictly cannot.
Yeah.
Even you can have the dance floor, but you cannot do the dance. You know.
I terbayang like kan the bride has a veil And then
Yeah.
like the
Yeah.
guys, you may kiss the bride and he opens the veil kan, and it's a mask.
It's a must.
Oh
And then
yeah.
you open the
Regarding
mask like
the mask, yeah, regarding the mask kan, kalau let's say lah kan kita make up then we wearing the mask and then
you have a black line across on your
or
makeup.
should we wear
yeah.
the apa
face mask,
no the apa tuh yang journey
face shield.
ya face shield.
Oh,
The
the-
thing with
the
face
face
shield
shield.
is the heat kan when you're speaking and all. Terus you're like a sauna
Yeah.
ba, cair ba your makeup. You tengok moisture
Oh
on it.
no,
And you're like,
even
Oh,
worse.
I experienced quite a few times dengan apa nama the face shield,
shield.
tu, astaga, sangat teruk. Yeah, sebab ada wap and everything macam tu kan. Sometimes kau tak dapat tengok, sometimes after a while baru dia macam tu.
dia nak dapat tengok.
Sangat panas. Exactly.
Kabur.
Jadi kalau kau banyak cakap kan, the wap macam tu.
Terus mau lap lagi.
Oh,
Apa?
Dia lep.
Macam pun tak enjoy the wedding.
Ya
Mhm.
tapi kalau for me kan I'm okay with it sebab even though they are boring but I can save my budget and then I don't have to pretend like oh auntie sorry I cannot invite you because that. I just can say oh it's because of SOP because I don't give a fuck.
Oh, nice excuse.
SOP
Good
jadi
excuse.
excuse so kan.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
For me it's all about the money lah. Tapi saya harap tidak tidak this COVID thing tidak lagi yang sebab gara-gara kenduri and all.
Mhm.
Yeah, but I think that's really putting a bad name towards wedding. Yang orang terus like, kenapa ba dorang sudah tahu apa buat lagi
Yeah.
kenduri? Kenapa ba dorang sudah gini hadir buat lagi jamuan event
Because,
wedding semua besar-besar.
actually some state dorang macam kind of dorang tidak agree with the kerajaan kan so dorang just do it
But
yeah,
itulah like the problem really isn't sebab orang bilang macam
SOP.
janganlah buat sudah orang bilang undang-undang. But it's not really the problem that undang-undang say yes or no, but it's dorang yalah like we said lah family and close friends. Of course kau akan bertegur and like talk to them face to face rapat-rapat like shake their hand and all. Itu je pada issue I think. Semua tu okay sudah like everyone okay sudah tapi when itulah from the
It's really
social
hard to control. I don't really have apa yang macam macam V and Angel can wear.
they have their words sudah.
Tapi for me I think lama sudah ba. So and we getting old.
Ya ba.
Mention
Yeah.
that.
We getting
You
old.
don't have to mention that.
I don't
Don't mention that.
I don't
We're not getting old. We're getting older saja.
yeah, we getting older.
By the
I want
day.
kids.
But we're not old.
I want kids. Oh, actually kan because saya mau start my wedding this year juga. Peduli
Supaya next year ada kid.
No, it's not because of that. Because when I'm 60, I don't want to raise my kids yang baru umur
Oh.
that. I don't want.
Yeah, true lah.
It's really hard to work.
Okay. So wedding, yay or nay? Angel was
Yay or
yay.
nay?
Diana, yay. Uni, yay. Joe, yay. So we're all
Yay.
yay for weddings during pandemics. Go ahead. Have your wedding janji. Janji
Yeah.
dari jauh begini saja.
Yeah, begini saja.
You guys make sure that because of your wedding, my wedding don't have to postpone. Okay?
Yeah, true. Just follow the SOPs and we should be fine.
Yes.
Don't make your wedding be the reason statistic naik.
Yes.
Yes. That's all for
I guess
today.
thank you guys for listening. So you guys leave some comments and then let us know what do you guys think. Is an SOP wedding a yay or a nay?
Yeah,
All right.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.